Good morning, students. Welcome back in history period. Lesson number 7 from shelters to village settlements. Okay. Yesterday we had written fill in the blanks as well as answer the following questions in one sentence. We have completed 3 questions and now moving ahead we have to write 4 questions. Okay. Yes, start writing with me. What was the impact of impact of environmental change to the Homo sapiens? Our question is, what was the impact of environmental change to the Homo sapiens? And the answer. The change in diet of the Homo sapiens. Was the direct impact of change in the environment? Number 5. What did the Homo sapiens harvest during the Middle Age? During the Middle Stone. During the Middle Stone Age, the Homo sapiens harvested five grains. See here, students. What did the Homo sapiens harvest during the Middle Stone Age? During the Middle Stone Age, the Homo sapiens harvested wild beans. Note down in your copy both the questions. And now we have to write two more questions. Okay. Number 6. What did agriculture make possible? Agriculture made it possible to store food and use it over a longer period. See the question. What did agricultural make What did agricultural make possible? Our question is that what did agricultural make possible? Agricultural made it possible to store food and use it over a longer period. Okay. Now, next question. In which way of life man required to keep moving all time? And the answer is in the hunting and food gathering way of life. In the hunting and food gathering man was required to keep moving all the time. In the question, in which way of life was man required to keep moving all time? And the answer is in the hunting and food gathering way of life, man was required to keep moving all the time. Okay, now note down all the question answers in your copy and let's move to our next question. Now our next question. See students, in the book, page number 33, observe the reconstructed picture of a Middle Stone Age seasonal camp and answer the following. Okay. See here, question is given here. क्वेश्चन इज गिवन हियर. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी दिया है. ये जो क्वेश्चन है ना, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन इज दैट ऑब्जर्व द रिकंस्ट्रक्टेड पिक्चर ऑफ अ मिडल स्टोन एज. ये जो पिक्चर दिया है, पिक्चर इज गिवन हियर इन दिस पेज. ये जो पिक्चर दिया हुआ है, ऑब्जर्व दिस पिक्चर. ओके, ऑब्जर्व दिस पिक्चर. Reconstructed of a village settlements, New Stone Age. Okay, and write answers of the following questions. Okay, and answer the following. Now we have to write the answer of this question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Question is given in the book on page number 23. Observe the picture and write answers. Question number 1. Okay, A. Describe the structure of the houses in the picture. Answer. The roof is inclining and is of thatched grass. Describe the structure of the houses in the picture. Houses में जो पिक्चर में जो हाउस दिखाया गया है, उसका हमें क्या करना है? डिस्क्रिप्शन करना है. डिस्क्रिप्शन यानी क्या? वर्णन करना. ओके. The roof is inclining. The roof is inclining and is of thatched grass. What materials are used to construct the houses? What materials are used to construct the house? Answer. Grass and wood have been used What materials are used to construct the houses? Grass and wood have been used to construct the houses. And now the last question. What kind of jobs could the people in the seasonal camps have been doing? The people at the seasonal camp they are engaged in fishing, agriculture, hunting, and making small boats. What kind of jobs could the people in the seasonal camps have been doing? The people at the seasonal camp were engaged in fishing, agriculture, hunting, and making small boats. Okay. And here, see the what materials are used to construct the houses. Grass and wood have been used to construct the houses. And describe the structure of the houses in the picture. The roof is inclining and is of thatched grass. Okay. Note down all the answers in your copy. Okay. And tomorrow we will write remaining questions. That is comparison of new stone age village and modern village. Okay, and also give reasons, right? Okay. Now here we stop today. Your homework is that read lesson carefully and learn hard words with meaning. Okay. Now here we stop today. Bye bye. Take care.